I mean, it's time for Dollar General's any day deals, and we're gonna start right over here where the food is at because you know this is my favorite time to buy my waffles. They are 2 for $5. Let's look at that. Okay, 2 for $5, $3.50 each originally, but they are on sale 2 for $5. So pick those up, guys. And then, guys, if you want to see the minis right here, it's 40 pancakes. They're $4. Now they're on sale for $3. So I am going to grab them, but I think I'm going to grab the chocolate chip ones. It's 5 pouches. And then I'm going to grab the buttermilk ones because I know then everybody get what they want out of them. One of my sons will definitely not do right. Okay, guys, I just got super excited. My Lipton Sweet Iced Teas are here. Let me scan them. It's the iced tea and the lemonade mixed together. So let's scan that. They're $3.95. And look, guys, spend 10, save 3. So that is a good deal. Now we also have these right here. Now that is that citrus. I am not a fan of that citrus. They are $2.50. Spend 10, save 3. 2 for $4. So of course you guys already know I'm gonna pick up some of those for me and my granddaughter because we both like these. So we're gonna grab some of these. I'm gonna pick 4 of them up, so that'll be $8. Then I do need to grab something, $2 more to get 10. The way this deal will go is 4 plus 4 because I grabbed 4 Lipton teas. They're 2 for $8. And then I'm going to grab 1 of the Lipton 6-packs. That's $3.95. It take me to $11.95. They're gonna take $3 off of me spending $10. Take me to $8.95. I'm gonna divide that by 2, 4, 5. I'm gonna pay $1.79, which is not bad because usually I grab these and they're 2 for $5, and I pay $1.75. So 4 cents more than what I usually pay. Okay, the Powerade right here. Let's see, because I'm spinning in this circle for some reason, is $1.40, and they are 3 for $3. I usually grab these for my boys because sports is all they know, and that's all I know at this point when school starts. So I'm gonna grab a couple. Oh, that's new. Let me see how much this one is. See if it's still 3 for $3. Guys, they even getting to the point where they freeze these things. Okay, so I'll try that one, 3 for $3. Okay, guys, I got lucky. Look, the Captain Crunch. Last 2 boxes. Somebody came and grabbed. Yep, those the last 2 boxes right there. Let me scan. Okay, $3.95. We have a $2 off 2 coupon, and they are on sale 2 for $6. So that actually makes them $2 each, guys. Now, I did this deal on Sunday as a do now deal, and I said it would not last. These boxes was already here and pushed to the back, so people probably didn't know they're here, but they're mine now. Guys, on Sunday I told you guys about this deal. My boys informed me not to get them these because they did not like them. So I'm gonna grab the ones that's 5 in the box for the shop for us. Okay, and let me show you the deal again. $2.95 and $2 off of 2 makes them $1.95 each. It is without an instant offer. Let's look at the Nature Valley, and the reason why I'm going to so many protein bars and Quaker oats and stuff, because throw them in these kids' bags. $4.75, which you don't have to get that one. In fact, let me not do that one. Let me do this one. Okay, that's $3.95. All right. Look at all the coupons. $1 off 2, $1 off 3, 50 cents off 2. You, of course, want to hit the one that says $1 off 2 because they have an instant offer of 2 for $6, making those 2 for $5. That's the one you want to do. All right. Now, the only difference with this protein bar is $4.75 because it's a protein bar, but they still are 2 for $6 even with these. Okay, 5 in the box, 5 in the box. It's not a difference. Now, reason why I don't buy the Pop-Tarts here, because I don't gatekeep, and Walgreens have these buy one get one free all the time, so you might as well just get them at Walgreens. Okay, the Smucker's Jam and Jelly, they're originally $3.50. When I scan it, it shows me it's $3.50, right? Coupon, $1 off of 2. You can buy the Smucker's and the Jeff deal, 2 for $6. So that's gonna make that 2 for $5. That is a good deal, especially with back to school coming up. So grab that. I'm gonna grab one Skippy right here. I'm sorry, one Jeff, guys. I'm gonna grab a Jeff. They seem huge or something. I don't know what's going on. I don't want the extra crunchy. Last time, this is the only one they got. That's okay. Here it is, Jeff. And then one Smucker's. Okay. My kids feel food. Oh my goodness, they'll eat all of this. Guys, look at this cart stacking up on me. As you guys see the Lunchables, you see the ones by Oscar Mayer. They're $1. Now, I told my boys they were too big for those. Do you know they had a crime fit? They wanted Lunchables. I said, oh my goodness. So I'm going to grab those and throw them in the fridge. Okay, I think I mentioned the ice refreshers, the strawberry acai. That's what I call it. I used to call it acai. It's $6.95. 2 for $10. So they're $5 each. Guys, I bought my mom a Keurig. That Curie's. This lady's in love with them, and look at that, gone. So I got the last 2 boxes on my any day deals. Oh my goodness, I better start watching out for these at all times. So let's get these. Don't forget the McCafes Keurigs are 2 for 10 in the box. And the Dunkin' is on sale for $7.95. I just haven't been promoted because I felt like, I got tons of it during the clearance event, okay? Okay, deal right here that I want you guys to look at is on the Cheez-Its. $2.75. You have $1 cash back times 5. 3 for $6. So you're gonna get $3 back. So these are end up being 3 for $3. So I'm gonna get, oh God, those say smoked cheddar. I don't know. Maybe I'll do extra original. Yeah, I don't want that broke up box. I'm gonna do extra cheesy, and then I'll do the smoked cheddar, just so we'll be. They don't like that. Okay, look at this card, guys. Like time for school back. I gotta get stuff that they can throw in their bags for snacks. You got something in. I wouldn't do it because I love the people that work in this store. This 4 for 10, that's last week's deal. If you want to press the issue, they will have to give it to you for that price, okay? And then I just want to show you some. These are 2 for $4. Now, I make breakfast tortillas. This is not enough. It's 10 in a pack. I usually make a whole pack of them from like Costco. I buy a big pack from Costco, make breakfast tortillas. The guys throw them in the mic in the morning. But this is a good deal if you have a small family and you pre-do meals, which I do pre-do meals when school start back. Now the Herdez, this is back right here, 2 for $2, which I need to grab because they did want the salsa and they want the verde. I won't be able to start doing my salsa until all of my tomatoes have ripened, guys. All right, guys, that's it. Bye.